Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some wind chimes. It says every chime carries love, and check these out. I absolutely love wind chimes and the sounds it makes and stuff. Oh, this one here, it's all assembled and everything, all ready to go. And you can see it's got the little tubes, and then down here on the bottom it says, "Mom, every breeze whispers we love you." See, so good for a mom. And look at that. So if you have a Mother's Day, a mom's birthday, or something like that, you can have this and you put it outside, and it'll just have a nice little ding ding chimey noise. Very cool. It's good for something like me, like we have streets. Sorry, it's gonna be making noise. We have some streets nearby and electric stuff and things like that, so it makes noise out there already. So this will actually help drown out some of the other stuff too. So very cool. So if you needed a wind chime of some sort, this one here is good, and you can hear how it sounds. It sounds beautiful, so I like it. Very cool. Thumbs up.